Hey guys, I am Dr. Himanshu Gupta and I had secured a rank of 62 in NEET PG 2018. Today in this video, I am going to give you 3 practical tips that will help you remember things for a longer period of time. Guys, it's really frustrating that हम चीज़ों को 2-3 बार ही पढ़ते हैं. We try to read things so many times and still we keep on forgetting them. And because of this we are not able to do well in the grand test, we are not able to do well in our exams. And guys, I also had faced similar problems like you, and I have found 3 tips that will really help you in remembering things for a longer period of time. So guys, let us begin. Coming to the first point, though everything is there at our disposal, be it notes, be it videos, be it grand test, the problem that is happening is that it has made us very lazy. Everything is being spoon fed to us. We think what has been given to us, that is sufficient. We just want to read the notes, we just want to see the videos multiple times, and then we think our task is over. You know what is happening? We are losing our ability to understand a topic on our own. We are losing our ability to read a topic from the book. Guys, if you want to remember something for a longer period of time, you have to form connections within your brain. You have to form synapses within your brain. And that will not happen if you don't go deeper into a topic. If you don't try to understand a topic very well. Don't think that what has been given to us is sufficient. Try to be conscious while you are studying. Try to answer all why, what, how about the topic that you are reading. And if that is not being answered through the videos or through the notes that you are reading, try to look for those answers. Try to look for those answers in the Google or in your standard textbooks. Suppose if you are reading anatomy and I just tell you that a radial nerve passes through the lower triangular space. So this simple line, the radial nerve passes through the lower triangular space, that is very difficult to remember. That won't make much sense also. But guys, once you see this lower triangular space in an image and you see that radial nerve is passing in the posterior compartment of the arm through this lower triangular space, then it will be easy for you to remember this fact. And when it comes to referring to standard textbooks, you don't have to read standard textbook from cover to cover. Try to look for your answers. Try to look for those topics that you are reading from your notes only. And guys, now you will ask me, sir, that it will take a lot of time for us, that if we start referring to standard textbooks for every topic, for every doubt that we are getting. Guys, what is the point of reading something 2 or 3 times or even 5 times if after reading that topic for so many times you are not able to remember it? Instead, you should just read a topic once and try to understand topic very well and remember it for a longer period of time. So don't worry that it will take a lot of time. And I want to tell you that learning is a slow process. Don't think that एक ही दिन में 3-4 दिन में हम सब कुछ याद कर लेंगे. Learning will take time and you will have to do it properly. Don't take shortcuts. Everything that is there at your disposal, be it notes, be it videos, that is just there to help you. But if you are not making efforts on your own to look into the books, to Google something, then guys, it will be very difficult for you to remember things. Okay? So this is the first point, that from now onwards, whatever that you read, you will try to read it very properly. You will try to refer to your standard textbooks and you will try to understand that topic. Now guys, coming to the second tip. So what happens that as we keep on growing, as we move from school to your NEET UG preparation, then for your MBBS and then for NEET PG preparation, the syllabus keeps on growing. NEET UG में बहुत कम था, we just had to study 3 subjects. Then in the first year we have to study anatomy, biochemistry and physiology, and that again seemed too much for us. 6th class में syllabus कुछ और था, 10th class में syllabus और ज़्यादा हो गया. So as the syllabus kept on increasing, we forgot that technique that we used to follow during our childhood days. Remember your 5th class, remember your 2nd class. Whenever you had a test the next day, what you used to do? I remember my days. What I used to do, my father would ask me a question and I would try to answer that question. So what I was doing, I was trying to actively recall that question. And the problem जो हमारे साथ हो रही है, that is, जैसे सिलेबस बढ़ता जा रहा है, हम सिलेबस को बस पढ़ना चाह रहे हैं. We just want to keep on reading the syllabus. We just don't want to stop and recall whatever we have read. So guys, either you call this technique as an active recall, or you can call this technique as read, recall and review. So you follow either of these. Okay, so now from today itself, what we will do, either after half an hour of reading we will stop for 5 minutes and then we will think about whatever we have read. Okay, and if we can recite that topic to ourselves only, that would be great, and if we can discuss that topic with a friend, that would also be very good. Okay, so this is also called as Feynman technique. So Feynman was a very great teacher who used to simplify things very easily for students. So what he used to do, whatever he used to read, he used to explain it to his students, and that similar technique you can also follow, guys. So I don't want you to follow कि सारा कुछ रिसाइट करते रहो जो भी पढ़ रहे हो, but try to start small. ठीक है, if you are reading one page, then after one page take a break, take just 10-second break and try to recite whatever you have read. Okay, I know this will look childish for you because you used to do this thing during your childhood days, but it will have a great impact on how you will be able to remember things. So guys, try to start actively recalling whatever you have read, either in the form of questions, either in the form of MCQs, or you can try to follow this read, recite and review method. So you will read a topic, then you will try to recite that topic. If you are not remembering anything, you can always review that topic back. Okay, now guys, coming to the last tip. The last tip is spaced repetition. So everyone of you must have heard about the spaced repetition. So we have to do this on 3rd day, then 7th day, then 21st day. So everyone know when we have to do this spaced repetition, but no one knows how do we have to actually practice this thing. So when we have too many things to read, we are reading too many things every day. Every day we are reading new things, and then it becomes very difficult to follow this method of spaced repetition. So I followed a method that really helped me during my NEET PG preparation, and guys, I call this as a 3-hour revision rule. So guys, I have made a video dedicatedly on that topic, so if you want to have a look, you can click on the card above. But I will try to tell you this thing in brief. So guys, you will try to devote at least 3 hours for revision, and in these 3 hours, 1 hour you will reserve for everything that you have read the previous day, 1 hour you will do what you have read last week, and 1 hour you will do what you have read in the last month. So guys, this way you will be revising everything on the 1st day, then the 7th day and the 30th day. You won't have to like use your brain also. You just have to think कि last week में कौन सा टॉपिक पढ़ा था मैंने, ठीक है, उसको मुझे आज रिवाइज करना है. Now students ask me, sir, 1 hour में how will we be able to revise everything what we have read in the last week? So guys, this 1 hour you will be following it for a period of 1 week. So in that 1 week you will be revising everything that you have read in the last week. Okay, and you are devoting 1 hour daily. Don't worry कि you are not able to revise everything, but by following this technique you will be able to remember few things, and this is very essential. Students, they say to me, sir, we will not be able to read new things, it is taking a lot of time. Guys, what is the point of reading new things if you are not able to remember them? Instead, read less and try to remember those things what you are reading. So guys, this spaced repetition will be helpful to you in the long run, because if you are following this technique, then when you are reading your topic for the second time after like 3 months, you already have read that topic 3 times if you are following this spaced repetition technique. and when you are reading that topic for the second time, okay, it will take you very less time to read that topic. But if you are reading that topic after a gap of 4 months, that topic will again look new to you, and it will again consume a lot of time of yours. So guys, if you like all these techniques, do subscribe to my channel, do give me a thumbs up, and do write to me in the comment sections if you know of other techniques with which we can remember things well. So guys, meet you in the next video. Till then, keep working hard and bye bye.